We have a few different systems that we integrate with. And so currently we integrate with Reese, which is a market data provider. And then we integrate with Valkyrie, which is an appraisal report writer. And then, various other clients have their larger systems that they've custom built in-house that we integrate with. My name is Dobson. I'm head of product for Rockport VAL specifically, which is our Rockport's cash flow modeling and valuation platform. We have several large clients, one that recently just completed an integration with their report writing platform, and they were able to integrate all of their report writing with VAL. So all the results that they produce from VAL flow seamlessly into their report writing, and then their appraisers are able to use those directly to, format the data and make it presentable and all that stuff for their clients. Most of the integrations are through our API. So we have a two-way API where you can put, data from other systems into VAL, and then you can pull data from VAL out into other systems. And so the market data integration would be an example of the data in, where we actually pull the market data into VAL and people can visualize and look at that for different properties within the VAL model that they're in. And then some of our more larger clients that are the appraisal firms, they've integrated their own platforms into VAL. So they'll go in, complete their work in VAL, and then pull the results out of VAL and put those into their own formats. And they use that in their report writing and then produce the appraisals they ultimately send out to their clients. People like Excel, so it gives them a place where maybe they feel comfortable doing some of that modeling, but they can use us for the pieces that they want and then continue to use their own models for the things they want to. So we developed an Excel add-in that works with VAL, so you can log in to VAL through Excel, and then we have a couple pre-canned reports that you can pull from the VAL model that you've already done. So once you're in there, you just pick the property, you pick the scenario, and then we populate cash flows and a couple of the other supporting reports. We'll have a team that's there for them to ask questions to. We'll also usually do either weekly or bi-weekly standing call with some of the members from our architecture team. I'll usually be on those calls, and then some people from our integration team. We kind of support them, through every step of the way. So if they have questions they need to ask, we get those answered. And then even in the interim between those calls, if they have questions, they'll send them in, we can answer them back. So it's really collaborative, and we try to have a lot of touch points through the process.